Hello guys, today we are going to unbox this HP i5 laptop. It was packaged and delivered very well. Here is the MRP and month and year of import. Here is the model number and this is the 8th generation i5 laptop with 8 GB RAM. Let's unbox it. Up guys, and we are checking what the other things. So this is the power cable with power adapter, and let's see what else is there. So I guess this is the setup instruction guide. So let's see the laptop first. I'm taking this out. So we need to take this polythene out. Look at the glossy finishing and this silver emblem, silver 3D emblem, which looks very nice. Let's open this. And here's the 15.6-inch screen with camera over here and HP emblem again. They have given this keyboard protector. Here's the sticker again with Intel i5 8th generation. Also they have given contact numbers for technical assistance. Quality looks very nice. The matte finish over here is awesome. Here's the DVD writer, USB, micro SD and power and battery indicators, and in right side 3.5mm jack to USB, HDMI and LAN port, and this is for power cable. There is nothing below the laptop. Battery is unremovable. Keys are very good and responsive. Music shortcuts are given over here, and the power switch is placed over here. The glossy glittery finish with 3D emblem adds premiumness to this laptop. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more technical reviews. If you want to buy this laptop, link given in description below. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.